Hi, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the x20BT from floorcare.biz. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace the solenoid valve because it's damaged or it's just not working properly. First, what you want to do is you want to remove the motor shroud. There are 4 5mm Allen head screws. You go ahead and loosen those up and that shroud pops right off. Next, what you want to do is take off your brush. That way you got access to the nut that's on the bottom side of your deck. So the next step right here is we are going to remove this hose from the back side of your solenoid. Pull it off just like that. Get it out of the way. So there are 2 7mm bolts that are holding your solenoid down to your deck, and they are nutted on the bottom side of your deck. So what you're going to need to do is remove these bolts. Okay, with that out, now what we want to do is we can go ahead and pull the solenoid so that the hose disconnects. Just like that. Now all we need to do is unplug the solenoid. Find your solenoid wires and just disconnect them. Now to replace it, get your new solenoid and just reverse the steps. Go ahead and place it back in. Reattach the hose. Plug the new solenoid back in. At this point, before you tighten the solenoid back down onto the deck, you can go ahead and place the back hose back onto your solenoid. It gives you a little bit more room before we have to actually raise the deck to tighten it back down. Now that the back hose is back on, we're going to go ahead and raise the deck so that we can tighten the solenoid back down. Now all we have to do is tighten the bolts down to secure the solenoid to the deck. And now at this point, be sure to replace your skirt, your brush, and your front motor shroud. After that, you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.